how to download mods in Minecraft. Hey everyone, it's Morgan here and welcome back to our channel Create, Login and Delete. So let's start the video. Today we are taking a break from Minecraft and diving into the incredible world of mods. Mods can completely transform your experience, adding new items, creatures, dimensions, and tons more. Maybe you're tired of the same old boring graphics and creeper encounters. Maybe you want to explore more fantastical new worlds or battle epic monsters. Well, mods are the answer. They let you customize Minecraft to fit your wildest dreams. But before we begin, let's gather our supplies. You will need a Minecraft installed in a computer, a reliable internet connection to download the mods, and a little patience because there are tons of amazing mods out there, so take your time while browsing. So first thing first, we need to visit certain websites, and for now, I'm gonna go with cardsforce.com. Search CurseForce in your web browser, or you can simply type in curseforce.com and you would be able to visit or find the websites. And this site provides tons of mods, not just for Minecraft, but for different games too. But for now, I'm gonna go with Minecraft. After clicking on the Minecraft, you would be able to find a lot of mods just on the home screen. From the home screen, select the mod that you would like to install for your Minecraft. For now, I'm gonna go with Bullet Chat. Open up the mod, go to Files, and make sure that you note down the game version because it will come in handy while installing on the later part of the video. So the game version is 1.20.1. After this, click on the mod and tap on download. And just in a while, the mod will be downloaded. Now, after the mod is downloaded, open up the new tab and search Forge. And open up the Forge files. Since we have downloaded 1.20.1 mod version, we are going to select 1.20.1 and download the Forge installer for 1.20.1 version. Make sure that your download version matches with the mod version that you have just downloaded. Tap on download and wait for the ad to be skipped, and you would see skip on the right hand side, top right corner. Just tap on skip. You have just downloaded the first two, so you have two files ready to be installed. After downloading all the files, you just need to install Forge first. Simply tap on the install client after opening the file and the Forge will be installed. And after that, we need to launch the Minecraft launcher. After the launcher opens up, hit to the left and select Forge and run the game. And there you will be able to see mods and Forge. And after that, close the Minecraft. And now we need to go to run command. Simply tap Windows R and type %appdata and hit enter and open up the Minecraft. Go to mod section and here paste the mod that you have just downloaded. Simply drag and drop it and now the mods will be installed. And that's it. And this is how you can download and install mods in Minecraft. If you find this tutorial helpful, to subscribe and don't forget to leave us a like and comment. Thank you.